There was huge drama in the Dwars Tour of Vlaanderen, as several of the big hitters were involved in a nightmarish crash, including Wout van Aert, Pedersen and Biniam Girmay. Van Aert required medical attention after hitting the deck and was forced to abandon the race. It was later confirmed he had broken his collarbone and several ribs. Girmay and Stuyven joined Van Aert in abandoning the race. The incident happened with 60 kilometers to go, with a huge pileup decimating the peloton, as many of those involved required medical treatment. On Thursday, Van Aert, Stuyven and Kirsch underwent surgery, and some riders awoke in pain. Biniam Girmay hopes for the 2023 Tour of Flanders were wrecked by a horrible fall, so when he came down hard on Wednesday, the fear was that it was happening all over again. The Eritrean seemed injured and in shock as he headed off to hospital for checks and treatment, but the Intermarché team later delivered a good news update. Biniam Girmay and Lorenz Rex did not sustain any fractures following their crash in Dwars Vlaanderen, the Belgian team said. The wait is now on to see if Girmay will be on the start line of the Tour of Flanders, and if the impact will take a toll. The first scan has shown that he has no fracture, said team performance manager Eike Visbeek, according to a report on Wielerflits. But we have to take a look because he really took a hit on the ribs. He fell hard. It seems to be not too bad, but it is now important how those ribs react in the coming days. We continue to have hope for the Tour of Flanders. It's 50-50, I think. The 2024 Tour of Flanders will take place on Sunday, March 31st.